Choosing the right credit card can feel overwhelming with so many options available. You might be asking yourself, which card offers the best rewards for my spending habits? Or how can I avoid high fees and interest rates? These are common concerns that can make selecting a credit card seem like a daunting task. In this video, you will learn how to choose the right credit card for you. First, let's talk about understanding your primary spending habits. Identifying where you spend the most of your money is crucial. For instance, if you frequently dine out, a card offering high rewards on dining could be beneficial. On the other hand, if groceries are your main expense, look for cards with grocery rewards. Analyzing your spending habits helps you maximize the rewards and benefits that you receive from your card. Next up is assessing your current credit score. Your credit score plays a pivotal role in determining which credit cards you qualify for. Higher scores generally open doors to better rewards and lower interest rates. If your credit score needs improvement, you might start with a secured credit card to build your credit history. Remember, understanding your credit score and its implications is foundational in choosing the right credit card. Do you plan to carry a balance or pay in full each month? This question is vital because it determines the importance of the interest rate. If you pay your balance in full every month, you can focus more on rewards and benefits rather than the APR. However, if you tend to carry a balance, finding a card with a low ongoing APR becomes crucial to minimize interest payments. Now, let's discuss rewards: cashback, travel points, or flexible rewards. Cashback is straightforward and offers immediate benefits. Travel points can provide significant long-term benefits, especially if you travel frequently. Flexible rewards points offer versatility, allowing you to redeem points across various categories like travel, dining, or merchandise. Choose the reward structure that aligns with your lifestyle and goals. Sign-up or welcome bonuses can be enticing, but how important are they to you? Many cards offer lucrative sign-up bonuses, but these often come with high spending requirements and possibly higher annual fees. Evaluate if you can meet the spending requirements without overspending and if the bonus justifies any additional cost. Balancing sign-up bonuses with long-term benefits is key to choosing the right card.